So RFL was actually two things that led us to RFL. One was we heard about RFL from our school counselor, and second, I work very close by, so I heard it from a couple of colleagues as well. So since I'm next doors, one day I just casually walked in to talk with Ashwin sir. Little did I know that this is going to, translate into a long-term relationship with robotics and RFL. See, technically, their results show where they are, right? So it is a no-brainer to come to RFL. However, as a parent, I would also be worried about approachability, how open they are to discussions. And one thing I can say out of my experience in these last 4 years, and I'll also narrate an incident. So one thing that I want to say first with an incident is that they're very approachable. So if you want to talk to the coaches, you can just call them up. If you want to speak to the center head, Ashwin sir, you can just ask for a meeting. I think 1.5 years back, there was something urgent that we wanted to talk to him about. He wasn't in Bombay, but he immediately the same day arranged for a Zoom meeting and listened to the few concerns that we had. So yes, as a parent, I feel heard. My concerns are taken care of. So this is a big, big comfort, along with technically wherever they stand in terms of performance.